Well, a lovely pair of Imari style dessert or cake plates from a dessert service, I expect, from this era. In a Imari pattern colour with predominantly green and blues. It's an unusual colour palette for Imari to be in. We've got the sort of full colour rose bouquets in the blocks here, the dark cobalt as you'd expect, but then picking up with the sort of very bright lime green on these two is quite an unusual combination on Imari. We would usually expect a lot more gold and a lot more reds, umbers and bronzes on most Imari. So that what makes them stand out. Let's show you the China marks. This one's marked, its sister isn't so well. How do we know it's Doric? Ground crown, little M in a triangle at the top of the crown, and made in England is right for Doric China. And its sister, as I said, just the decorator's marks. It does look as if it may have had an impress mark there with the Doric crown on it, but wasn't impressed particularly well, and the glaze has really covered that over. Pair of them, we're selling them individually. They are in very heavily used antique condition, but the patina is perhaps part of their charm with this. See the way the gilt has been worn away over the years around the rims and across these lovely scroll moulded ear handles. 8.25 inch, extending to just over 9.5, I think. Gilt's almost completely gone from this one here. Two of them identically decorated. We don't know the pattern name. The dates are on the website for the crown mark that were used during the period of these manufactured, and they're very nice. Being sold individually, would like the pair to stay together. They do make a really fine tea table decoration piece. Lovely pieces of Doric China, blue and green Imari. Thanks for watching.